Kawadhi nyime ni Seneta Mabusia Okiya Omtatah oyango dwaro mare mabiro laro kom mar jatend piny e yiero mar higa 2027. Omtatah chugo komiti mar Japar mabiro konye nono ka oromo biro laro komno. Komiti no biro choko pach jo Kenya e gwenge ma pacho kam kendo chiwo lipot ne Omtatah e wi dwaro mare mar manyo lemo mar jatend piny.
And already there are indications that the Kenyans are going to do whatever they will do in their small spaces to make sure that this change happens. So the question of money is the least problem we have. And I saw somewhere somebody saying we require 27 billion shillings. I don't know how the mathematics was worked out, but we would want to know where the 7 billion shillings comes from. Because if an individual can raise 7 billion shillings to put in a campaign, then something is absolutely wrong with this country.
Okiya reflects with all of us Gen Z, whatever it is we are fighting for and whatever it is he's been fighting for. So he reflects with our desire and our fight for a better Kenya. And that's what we all resonate with. And I think from the response we've got after he announced the committee, you can tell how well everyone took it.